Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the KingDeFi token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on this channel. So if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to open up our Trust Wallet. And I'm just going to let you guys know when we're in our Trust Wallet here that I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video. So if you guys need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I'm going to already assume that you guys have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallets here. You just need to make sure that you have the BNB that you want to swap inside of your Smart Chain wallet though. So if you have your BNB inside of this BNB wallet right here, we just want to click on that, click on more. And then right here, you'll see swap to Smart Chain. You have to make sure you have the coins that you're willing to trade inside of your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show up in PancakeSwap. So you just want to make sure you go ahead and do that. But once you have your coins ready inside of your Smart Chain wallet, you can now go add the contract address from CoinMarketCap. So I'll have a link in the description for CoinMarketCap. So you guys can just head over there. And then all we have to do on here is just copy the contract address. So right beside contracts right here, we just want to click on this little copy button right here. And once we click on the copy button, we can then exit out of here and then head back over to our Trust Wallets. Once we're back in our Trust Wallets right here, we can go to the top right of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles and just click on that. Once that's done, we can just paste the contract address up in the top search. And right here, we'll see the KRW Crown token. So we just click on enable and then done. Now, once that's done, all we have to do is head over to PancakeSwap. So I'll have a link in the description for PancakeSwap as well. And then we can go ahead and swap the tokens. So if you guys head over there, I'll show you guys what to do next. Once we're on PancakeSwap right here, all we have to do first things first is connect our wallets. So if we just go to the top right corner of the screen where we see the connect wallet button, we can go ahead and click on that. And then right here, we can just click on the Trust Wallet option for this tutorial. And then right here, it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet one more time. So all we're going to do is click on Trust Wallet one more time. And then it's going to open up inside of our Trust Wallet here, asking us to connect our wallets. So we just have to give this a second for this screen to pop up. And then we just click on connect when it does pop up. So right here, we just got that connection screen. All we have to do now is just click on connect, and then head back over to our PancakeSwap. Now, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right of the screen, as well as our balance of BNB right above this BNB logo right here. And again, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB there, it's simply because you don't have the BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. So just make sure you have it in your Smart Chain wallet, and you'll be good to go. Now, all we have to do is click on select a currency and paste that address right in here. And then all we have to do now is click on import, I understand, and import. Now, once we have the 2 tokens in here, all we have to do is make sure we have our slippage tolerance to a correct amount. Now, you guys can start with 12% on this slippage tolerance, but you guys can try lower if you would like to. I haven't gotten a determined slippage tolerance percentage from the website or their Twitter, so we are going to have to try to guesstimate what will work. You obviously want to start off the lowest you can and then work your way up if you have to, if it says that it has failed the transaction. So to change your slippage tolerance, we just go to right the settings gear right here and click on that. Once you do that, you can change your slippage tolerance right here. So like I said, I'd probably start off with 12% for this token, and then we can work our way down or up if we have to. So once that's done there, all we have to do now is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the KRW token. So let's just say, for example, it was 1 token. We can go ahead and put 1 here, and then it will show us the amount of the KRW token we'll get in exchange for our BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with this here, all you have to do is click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. And then after that, it will show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you the fees and withdrawal rates and things like that. So if you guys are happy with that, again, you click swap one more time, and then you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that, you can exit back out of here, back into your Trust Wallets, and your tokens will arrive here, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the KRW token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.